Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to take a look at how the AdWords interface is laid out. And the reason for this is so that when you log into your AdWords account after we have released your online warrant of fitness to you, you have a better understanding of how to investigate your AdWords account and then subsequently to use the other tutorials in the After WOF section of the campus so that you can better grow your online advertising profile. Okay, so let's sign into your AdWords account. You can find your account details in the Online WOF report that we have issued to you. And you will now see on screen the AdWords interface. So we'll take things left to right. At the top of the page you have the logo, and directly below that is the navigation bar. This is the main menu for the interface, and you have 6 different areas that you can go to. Home, campaigns. We're currently in the campaign screen. Every time you log in to your AdWords interface, you'll be taken to the campaign screen. Opportunities, tools and analysis, billing, and my account. Now there is an individual tutorial for each of those menu items. For now though, we're just going to familiarize ourselves with the overall interface. Continuing along the page, you can see the login that you're currently using. There are announcements that you can check. So if we click on announcements, you can see that there are 2. The first is the system downtime that is taking place on September 22nd, and the second is the reach people based on their age and gender, and you can take a look at both of those by drilling down on them. There is a help link, a sign out link, and your unique customer ID, and you may need that if you are communicating with AdWords directly. No doubt you will have seen the large red ribbon running across the screen. This is indicating the system downtime that we've just seen in the announcements, and it is prominently displayed there because it's pretty important for users to realize that there will be some downtime. So it's important to note there that the ads will continue to run, but the interface won't be available. So if you do see a system downtime alert, you can check to see more, and I'll tell you about that, and then you can dismiss after you have read the alert. Next on screen you will see the user invitations pending for your account alert. You can see who has access to your AdWords account and any invitations that are pending by going to My Account and then going to Account Access. The particular alert that you're seeing at the moment relates to the user we have created. In this case, it's the login address, mc@webwonks, and you can see there that the users with the account access are mc@webwonks. You can also see that the client manager is webwonks. If you go back into campaigns, because we knew that there were no other actual pending invitations, we can dismiss that alert. Now you see the more traditional aspects of the AdWords interface. This is what you'll see when there are no alerts, and you can see the campaigns that the webwonks have created on your behalf. This particular account has yet to run. In fact, it has been set to the 1st of October, and you'll see that the search campaign is paused and the display campaign is pending. Both of those will start on the 1st of October. You can change the dates that you are viewing by drilling down on the calendar. Here you can change to some generic dates such as today, yesterday, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, all time. You can also choose custom date ranges by clicking custom and then changing the calendar options. If we Just minimize the help section for a moment. You can see the online campaigns that you have for your account. You'll see that the 2 campaigns we create will have the campaign network that we use, so display and search, and it will also have the location that we have advertised your ads in. In this case, both ads will be displaying across New Zealand. These links down the side are advanced settings, and we really recommend that you understand the rest of the AdWords account features before you look at those. Features such as creating new ad groups, adding additional keywords, adding additional text ads, or adding new ad extensions, as well as budget and bidding and the general understanding of click-through rates and quality score are the types of tutorials you should look at before you look at any advanced settings. If we plus the help section, there are some links to general AdWords questions that are asked by clients on a regular basis, so you can take a look at the help section if you have any questions. You can also use the help center and you can type in a question or a keyword and then click go. Because there are some comprehensive tutorials on how the campaigns, ad groups, settings, ads, keywords, and ad extensions operate, we're not going to concern ourselves with this element of the interface. You can look at the Wonks campus for more details in regards to those different elements. We will, however, finish this video off by taking a look at the dashboard on the Home tab. Here you will see some details. The first of which is the congratulations, you have created your first campaign. We have done that for you. You can look at the beginner's guide and then dismiss the notification. If you wanted to see your campaign details at a glance, you will be able to do so by coming into the dashboard, the home screen, and drilling down on any of the details that you find relevant. You can, of course, customize what you're seeing on the screen by clicking on customize modules, by turning on and off the different modules. If you click into opportunities, you will see some information regarding what you can look to do to grow your campaigns. There's a campaign bid simulator. You can analyze what the competition are doing, and then there are some ideas for your campaigns. There is a standalone video tutorial for each of these elements, so please look for those on the Wonks campus. Under Tools and Analysis, you can see the change history, which is how often changes are made to your account. You can look at the conversions, which is how many results and goals have been met through your account. You can look at your Google Analytics, which we have connected to your Google Analytics account so that you can track your AdWords. There's a keyword tool, a traffic estimator, a placement tool, a contextual targeting tool, and the ad preview and diagnosis. Take a look at these individual elements of the interface as you will, or look for tutorials on the Wonks campus. There is the billing tab. If we look at that, you can see any credit that you have on your account. You can add more credit. You can add your credit card so that automatic payments can be made. You can check your billing profile and your billing settings. And then finally, there is your account, where you have your account access, your notification settings, and your preferences. That really is the main areas of the interface that you should be aware of when you're first beginning to understand how to navigate around. The Wonks understand it's a very daunting first step looking at your AdWords account. There's a lot of information, there's a lot of different settings that you can choose from, and so we suggest that you follow the after WOF process, in which we advise you add new keywords and ads in very incremental stages. Do things very slowly, test in different ad groups, use different keywords in a very careful sense, change your budget so that it fits with what you can afford, change the bidding on particular keywords depending on how much you're spending, and as a general rule, make sure that you understand settings before you change settings. If you have any questions, please go to the Wonks website and use our contact form. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 0800 932 9665. That's 0800 Wonks. Thanks for watching.